Now we have to prove that summation for n is 5, r is equal to 1, 5cr, this is equal to 31. This we have to prove. Now what we can write for this one? We can write it 5c1 plus 5c2 plus 5c3 plus 5c4 plus 5c5. Up to 5 we have to go. Now what we are knowing? Now n is equal to 1, therefore 5c5 is equal to 1. Now 5c1 and 5c4, these are the same terms. Okay, so 5c1 is equal to 5c4, this is equal to 5. Okay, how? You can just check it now. This becomes 5 factorial upon 1 factorial times 4 factorial. This part becomes 5 factorial upon 4 factorial times 1 factorial. So both are same. Okay. Similarly, now 5c2 and 5c3. 5c2 is equal to 5c3. Coefficients are same. Okay. So now the question becomes, we are having 5c1 plus 5c2 plus 5c2 plus 5c1 plus 1. Okay. Now this becomes twice of 5c1 plus twice of 5c2 plus 1. Now 2 times 5, 5c1, we have already learned 5c1 is equal to 5. So 2 times 5 plus this one plus 2 times, now let's solve this one, 5c2, 5 factorial upon 2 factorial times 3 factorial. Okay. Now this becomes 10 plus 1 plus 2 times 3 factorial upon 2 times 1 times 3 factorial. 10 plus 1 plus 20 is equal to 31. Proved.